hope you all can see this through. I'm videotaping this through my screen door, because I think this is the male. I think this is the daddy, because he's not getting in the nest, and she's always on it. I'm afraid to go out there because I think he'll leave if I open the door. But he just comes by. Oh, he's looking in, see? They might have hatched, and that's why he's come back and lets her go down to eat and drink and then leave when she comes back. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, this is so sad. Look at her up there. She's got herself as wide as she can with her beak is pointed upwards to the sky, and it is pouring outside. Whoa. Bless her heart. Look at that. She's got her wings fanned out over the nest. Did you see that? Aww. Well, it just makes my heart ache. Hang in there, Mrs. Robin. Keep your wings spread wide. Your babies are in there. Aww. I wish I could bring her inside. Her and her nest. It's almost done. Maybe it's going the other way now. Oh no, it sounds like the storm is coming back around. Just as she was able to get up and shake herself off. And a little bit of sun came through and dried her feathers. I hope it doesn't come around again. But living on the water, it usually goes out around the lake and comes back. Bless my hubby for going up there in the rain and putting a piece of wood over top of the over top of the lattice so that the robins wouldn't get wet. It's been raining so much here, and I was so upset that he went out there one night and climbed up on our back deck and climbed up the pole here and slid a piece of wood over top so she'd be sheltered a bit. So watch very closely for when Mom or Dad comes back. Watch for the little heads to peek up. See them? Oh, she heard me. She's gonna cover them up. They're getting bigger. they're feeding them faster and faster. I noticed Mom and Dad are really busy. I can see them, Mrs. Robin. I see them. They're peeking up out from underneath you. Oh. They're anxious to get going, but they're still way too little. I'm afraid they're going to fall out of the nest pretty soon. And Mom's trying to get in there with them, and it's just too tight of a fit. Oh, oops. They're starting to get their robin's coloring too, I noticed.